Hey everyone, it's Osid, here with an unboxing video of the new MacBook Pro M3 Pro. You know, I've been in the market for some time to purchase a new laptop that I can use to edit videos, stream movies, and have a machine that can be my one-stop shop for creating content. This video will detail why I landed with the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Now let's get into it so we can explore its exciting and new features. When turning this around, we see the back list out all the specifications. The 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 Pro comes with a 12-core CPU, 18-core GPU, and 512GB SSD for ample storage. You know, Apple always does a fantastic job with its packaging, using premier materials that can give an overall clean and aesthetically pleasing visual. Opening the box, the first thing we see is the MacBook Pro itself, wrapped in a protective cover. The presentation is minimalistic yet sophisticated, making the unboxing experience feel special every time. Let's set this aside for now. As usual, Apple includes some reading materials that no one really cares about, but this year they've included stickers that match the laptop's color, so that's a nice touch. Other accessories in the box include the charging block and the new MagSafe 3 USB-C charging cable. The MagSafe connector is back, offering a convenient and quick way to charge your MacBook Pro. It attaches magnetically and easily detaches if pulled, preventing any accidental drops. The design on the space black model is really clean. I particularly like how Apple added the engraving on the back, as opposed to where it used to be below the screen. This small touch adds to the overall premium feel of the laptop. One of the first things you'll notice is the sleek aluminum body, now available in the new color option, the space black. Moving on to the display, the expansive 16-inch Retina display on the MacBook Pro provides a stunning canvas. Whether I'm editing videos, designing graphics, or browsing the web, the vibrant colors and crisp details make every task so easy to complete. With its powerful M3 Pro chip, 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD, the MacBook Pro is built to handle the most demanding tasks, from editing high-resolution videos to running resource-intensive applications. This machine delivers peak performance and speed. Honestly, one of the standout features of the MacBook Pro is the return of the traditional ports, making it a dream for content creators on the go. From USB-C to the Thunderbolt, HDMI, and even a headphone jack. This laptop offers a comprehensive range of connectivity options, ensuring that I can easily connect my devices and peripherals without any hassle. The keyboard and trackpad on the MacBook Pro are a joy to use, providing a comfortable typing experience and precise cursor control. The redesigned scissor mechanism ensures smooth and responsive keystrokes, while the spacious trackpad offers ample room for multi-touch gestures, making navigation smooth. Audio quality is equally impressive on the MacBook Pro, thanks to its high-fidelity speakers. Whether I'm watching movies, listening to music, or video conferencing, the immersive sound experience adds another dimension to my creative work and entertainment. Despite its powerful performance, the MacBook Pro boasts impressive battery life. allowing me to work or play for hours on end without interruption. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging capability ensures that I can get back to work quickly, keeping productivity levels high throughout the day. When it comes to choosing the right MacBook Pro for your needs, it ultimately comes down to your specific requirements and preferences. If you're a content creator in need of maximum power and performance, the MacBook Pro M3 Pro is the obvious choice, offering unparalleled speed, versatility, and portability. However, if you prioritize portability over performance, or if you have no budget at all, the MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro M3 Max may be better suited to your needs. Regardless of your choice, you can't go wrong with any of Apple's MacBook lineup, each offering its own unique blend of features and capabilities to suit a variety of users. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing journey of the MacBook Pro M3 Pro. If you found this video helpful or informative, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and insights. I love to hear from you, so drop a comment below and let me know which MacBook model you're using and if this video helped you in any way. Until next time, this is Osid signing off, wishing you all the best.